Right guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we're at a campsite in Wales to see if it's better than a pub stopover. So here's where we are. Seren campsite in Holyhead. The sea's only there. It's massive, absolute massive. I'd have gone up and got up there, me personally. It's my daughter chose there, so since though I'm a guest on her booking, I think we should stay together. What a lovely campsite. Like two excited children, aren't they? Exactly the same. Come on now, Nelly, this way. Nelly. Nelly. Come on, let's go and see what we can get near the sea. So it's a campsite and it's got sea views. And my daughter told me she only paid £20 a night for this. Yeah, she said you can have as many people on the booking as she wants. And you can park anywhere, which I thought was really good. Definitely good value. For a nice little spot like this it is anyway. Beautiful. Do you like it here? Sit down. Sit down. Give me 5. Yeah, you do like it here. Nelly, do you like it here? Nelly. Do you like it here? Yeah? Come on then. That's after a 5-minute walk, that. Bless her soul. You can only do small walks, can't you, Nell? That's okay. You say hello to everybody.
Hello.
What's your name?
Teddy.
Teddy. And how old are you?
Teddy B.
Am I your granddad? Yeah. You don't look happy about that. Are you not happy I'm your granddad?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Do you like it here on the campsite? Yeah. What do you like the best about the campsite?
That one.
That one down there?
Yeah, that junction.
Okay. Cool. I think we're going to stay parked up now.
Hello.
You alright down there, Nelly? Hey, chilling out.
Oh, can I do the crispy again?
Yeah, say hello to everybody then.
Hello.
What's your name?
Benson.
Jensen. How old are you?
Did.
How old?
6, I think.
6. Do you like it here?
My name.
What's the best thing you like about here?
I like a floating tattoo over there.
Oh, okay.
My name. And he also likes the sheep.
Oh, okay.
And my name.
Are you nicking my chair now?
And Sad and Teddy.
You're Teddy. Are you introducing yourself again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like being on Teddy? Do you like being on TV, Teddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Good, because you're going to be on TV later.
Later.
Yeah. And you will be.
Why?
Because I put it on TV.
Oh.
You don't like that, do you?
I do like it.
Yeah, you do. Cool. So I've just been on a little supply run. The local Tesco's and B&M's. Got some stuff for the dogs. Got the dog food. They like this, especially the fish one. Fish suppers. Big pots of drinks. I love these drinks. Really handy to keep in the van. Show you what else we got. Rosa Parks. Gloria sternum or something. First thing we got is big massive bag of duck jerky fillets. Loads of them in it. I love them. Little teddy for Nelly. She likes little teddies. Squeaky ball for Honey. She likes the squeaky balls. Wag Streets cookies. Some burger seasoning, because I've got some burgers. Some chocolate for me. Some more chocolate. Some more chocolate. Do like a little bit of chocolate. Some more dog treats. Sausage and mash. Irish beef smash burgers. Some Jason's everyday rolls. I do like Jason's bread. I think it tastes really nice. Good quality. Some more dog treats. Lamb skin chews. Some more dog treats. Fish fingers and chips. Some more dog treats. Steak and chips. Two Bakewell tarts. Some more dog treats, steaklets. Some Edwards sliced roast Welsh side top side of beef, and some Edwards thick cut heritage ham. And last but not least, I want this for at home, chilli black bean sauce, Mayflowers. I do love black bean sauce. Even I just have it on its own over chips and nice, just the sauce, but I do love it with green peppers and meat and beef. So, also while I was there, put £1 in the charity box and got £2. 1,000 photography hints. And this little book here, what I'm going to give to my grandkids. I Can Stand for Change. So that little book, I Can Stand for Change, I think it's explaining racism and that and stuff. I'm going to give it to the grandkids. Anyway, let's give these the treats. Like I say, Nellie's got a new little teddy, which I know she loves teddies. She likes to suck on them at the night time. That's your new little teddy, Nellie, for you. Being a good girl. Oh yeah, I've got you some nice treats as well. All these treats we use. And Honey's got a new ball. Ain't ya? Eh? Big ball for Honey. But what you really want is these treats, don't you? Come on now, let's sort you out. Oh yeah, so that burger seasoning I got, it's for them smash burger patties. Thinking of just having a couple of burgers for me tea. Yeah, so that's what we got. You like them, Nelly? You're not eating yours, sweetheart? Yeah, chicken? You're waiting to see if there's anything else better first, aren't you? Alright. We'll see if you like these lamb skin chews. Good girl. I know you like them. Try it. Nelly, come on. Clever girl, aren't you? Compost toilet. Come on, Nelly. Oh, kids' toys and stuff. That's cool. And there's all my clan there. Three tents, 3 cars, and my van. £20 a night, up to 10 people. Not bad that at all. Well worth it. I mean, I know I'm always going on about campsite being too expensive and stuff like that, but I think this one's well worth it, to be honest.
Like a pan. Like a pan.
Has your mum made you dinner yet?
No.
Not made you no dinner?
Yeah. Me not have dinner. Why you have dinner?
What are you having for your dinner, burgers?
No, that toast. That yours toast.
Yorkshire pudding?
Yeah.
You're not having Yorkshire pudding.
Why?
Why? Because one, your mum's not got Yorkshire pudding, and 2, your mum can't cook Yorkshire pudding on a camp cooker.
Yeah.
You're having burgers, like me. I'm having burgers and all.
Yeah. And bubbles.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And bubbles. You get you chips. Yeah. We love chips. You love chips.
I love chips as well, yeah.
I do little. You eat it, yeah. I do tasty.
Upsy daisy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look what I've got for you. I've got this book here.
A book?
I've got this little book here, what I've bought for you. Look, it's got a little girl
We're not girls.
2 girls. I know you're not a girl, but it's a story about 2 girls.
That's him, Sada.
You can look at the pictures. Do you want to look at the pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a look at the pictures then. Tell me what you think about it. It's a good little book, that is. Isn't it good? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Him crying. Isn't it? Him Sada happy.
It's a good little book, that. What's it called? I Can Stand for Change. Wow. That is a really cool book.
Read that story. The end.
To make 2 smash burgers. Put that spices, that rub on it, what I bought before.
Yeah.
Burger seasoning rub.
I'll show you.
Put that on it before. And now I'm going to make myself 2 smash burgers for my dinner. Wow.
You're not writing. You're cooking a pizza.
No, I'm not. It's not a pizza. It's burgers.
Oh. I've been in the hot. I've been in the hot.
No. Give the dog just a bit of this. A treat. Sliced, roast, Welsh, top side. You only get 4 pieces. I'll say 2 for me. A piece each of these little buggers. 1 piece for honey. Oh, she likes that. 1 piece for Nelly. You been eating grass, Nelly? That nice? That tasty? Yeah, got all grass round your mouth. Massive bag of all these I have. Oh, loads of different things. Loads of different tomato ketchups and brown sauces and jams, marmalades, salt, peppers, all sorts in there. Come in handy, you know, carry loads of stuff about with you. I'm going to try one of these sauces. I think I'll try this one. I like my burgers with a lot of colour on them. That's why I cook them that way. I like all my burgers well done. I'm very fussy. I'm going to eat one. And then if I eat that, I'll make another one. But that'll do me for my tea. And a load of chocolate. Oh, and my Bakewell tarts that I've got. They do look nice. Tesco's finest Bakewell tarts. I'll eat probably both of them. Give my greedy guts. So what's going to happen now? My daughter and her mates and all that, have all ditched me. They've all said they're all going home. They paid for a week to stay on this campsite and they're all going home after one night because it started raining. Oh, these millennium, this is the new generation of campers, mate. They all ditched the campsite soon, the first bit of rain, and boom, oh, we're all going home. It's a 2-hour drive now back to Manchester, to Salford, to Wigan, 2-hour drive. And it's 9:30, it's nearly 9:45 at night now, so they're not going to get home till midnight. They're driving this rain now, all of them. Look at them all packing up. Every one of them, all ditching me. Proper lightweights. That's not camping. And I've ended up with all the fucking grandkids' fucking suitcases. And all the chairs, about 100 chairs that they ditched me with. Wouldn't mind, I was all settled in. We've been settled in since 8:30, us. And they waited for me to get settled in and then bang, bang, bang. Grandad, we're all going home. Can we leave all these suitcases and chairs? Fuck's sake. Nice one. Anyway, how embarrassing is that? They paid for a week and they're gone after one night. They bought camping stoves and pans and everything. They didn't use them once because they had KFC last night and we had kebabs tonight. What kind of camping's that? Morning, honey. Show me how you get down that step. Come here. Come down there. Come down there. Good girl. That's it. Morning, guys. So yeah, they all got off last night. Left me here on my own. Proper lightweights, aren't they? I think the kids were mithering, to be honest. Anyway, I had a really nice sleep again. It was a bit windy in the night, but overall it was okay. Anyway, I want to get off from here pretty early and start make a crack on this journey. So I'll do a recap when we get home, guys. Do a full recap then. Anyway, see you in a bit. So guys, I actually really enjoyed that campsite. Was it better than a pub stopover? Well, for me, no, it wasn't actually. It depends really, doesn't it? I like to stay a place 1 night, 2 nights max, and then I like to get to somewhere new. That's what I like about pub stopovers, you can go to a new place the next day or so on. With a campsite, if you're there for a few days, you start to get a little bit bored. There's not really much to do. The dogs were bored after 2 days. I could only manage 2 days there maximum myself. I'm not surprised my daughter and all them got off actually. There wasn't really much to do. So it was definitely worth the money though, what she paid for it. And it is a nice campsite in a lovely area. But for me, I prefer my pub stopovers, and so do the dogs. So what score would I give it? I think out of 5, I'd give it a 3. There was a good Wi-Fi signal there. You could, connect to the Wi-Fi, no problem. It was very dog friendly. What I liked about it is there was no strict rules. There was no one coming round checking on you. In fact, no one come round whatsoever. So for that reason, I liked it. It was a very friendly area and stuff. There wasn't really very much to do. I did end up getting a kebab last night, and the kebab was lovely, absolute beautiful. I'd go back just for that kebab. I do love me kebabs. It was a proper old school kebab, with the pickled chilies and stuff on it. The meat tasted really nice. I really enjoyed it. Best kebab I've had for a long time. So me and me kebabs. So I absolutely loved it for that reason.
So yeah, 3 out of 5 for the campsite, guys. But for me, I think we're going to stick to pub stopovers. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, think about subscribing so you don't miss any more of our future adventures. And thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.